What's up, everyone? It's R62A1 Trend Official here, and today we're doing something a little different. Don't mind my family; they're watching something funny. You can clearly see I have a Five Nights at Freddy's item right here. I got it from. I didn't get it from Walmart, even though it says only at Walmart. So yeah, today we're gonna be opening this Five Nights at Freddy's item. It's a Liberty Chica. It's Chica with the Statue of Liberty. Here's the back. Looks really cool. Yeah, collect them all, but I don't see any other characters, but let's go ahead and snap our fingers. Okay, now we got the box open. That was totally some magic here. Dang it, I see some annoying freaking strings that I gotta freaking cut now. Oh my goodness, why are you looking at me like that? All right, I got Chica out of her casing. Let's see her little items here. This here is the little Declaration of Independence that the usual Statue of Liberty holds. Doesn't have anything in the back. Looks very detailed. Honestly, it looks like a piece of stone that I have in my hand here. Here's her little cupcake that she usually holds. It's on fire. Well, because it's supposed to be her torch. Yeah. Now let's take a look at this thing that's been staring at me for the longest time. Chica herself. She looks like the Statue of Liberty a lot. She has arms. You can move them around. Can't really... Oh, it fell off. Yeah, you could take her apart. I wanted to actually... Oh, I paused the video. My fault. Let's play that back. Yeah, you could take her apart like that. I actually wanted to compare her to the other Chica I got last year. So yeah, let's compare these two. This Chica has a little bit of extra detail. If this camera would focus. This Chica would have a little extra detail and stuff. This one is just like a tie-dye version of Chica that I found in Five Below 2. She has legs, she doesn't. She's just a stand-up. Other than that, this Chica is just supposed to be the Statue of Liberty. Oh, shoot. But yeah, this Chica is supposed to just be the Statue of Liberty and nothing else, you know? You could just hold the cupcake. There we go. Now that looks very professional indeed. Oh, yeah. Look at that, man. This Chica has nothing. I actually lost its cupcake. Sad. But, yeah. It is what it is, man. When you have such small items in your bedroom, you tend to lose them a whole lot. Since Chica doesn't have her cupcake, we can always make her hold the Declaration of Independence. Yeah, because you already have something to hold, so you can't even hold it. Actually, you'll probably fall over. This one's strong. She has legs. You don't have legs. That was a 46G. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because this channel is slowly dying and I want to bring it back to life. But if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. Did I already say that, guys? Please, you know, oh shoot, oops. Leave your New Year's resolutions in the comments and I'll see y'all soon.